Welcome to the episodes of NEET, wherein we are covering the most likely questions that would appear for this year NEET examination from the topic of some basic concepts of chemistry, where the attention is purely focused for solving type numericals. Let's start. The molecules present in 5.6 liter of sulfur dioxide at STP is. So, we are supposed to find out the number of molecules that will be present in 5.6 liters of sulfur dioxide gas at STP, standard temperature and pressure. Options given are option A 1.5 into 10 to the power 23, option B 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 23, option C 4 into 10 to the power 23, option D 0.15 into 10 to the power 23. Now let's see which one of these given option is the answer for this. Answer is option A 1.5 into 10 to the power 23. Now let's see how option A 1.5 into 10 to the power 23 is the answer. Let's understand how to solve this numerical. We know that 1 mole of sulfur dioxide in terms of grams will be 64 grams. That is the molecular mass. 32 of sulfur and 16 into 2 of oxygen. So 32 plus 32. That makes it 64. So 1 mole of sulfur dioxide in terms of grams will be equal to 64 grams of sulfur dioxide. And this 64 grams of sulfur dioxide or 1 mole of sulfur dioxide in terms of the volume will be equal to 22.4 liter. This 22.4 liter of sulfur dioxide or 64 grams of sulfur dioxide or 1 mole of sulfur dioxide will be equal to Avogadro number of molecules. You know the Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of sulfur dioxide at standard temperature and pressure conditions. This is a must for us to equate all of this. So this is a necessary condition. Present at STP is the requisite condition. 1 liter of sulfur dioxide at STP will contain how many molecules of sulfur dioxide? If you were to calculate that, that can be done by dividing Avogadro number of molecules by 22.4 liter, because we are talking in terms of liter. In the numerical, the value is given in liter as 5.6 liter. So therefore, 5.6 liter of sulfur dioxide as STP will contain this Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 22.4 liter into 5.6 liter. On solving, we get the answer as 1.5 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So, the number of molecules of sulfur dioxide at STP present in 5.6 liters is 1.5 into 10 to the power 23. That is option A, which is the correct answer. Now, let's look into the second question. How many molecules are present in 1 gram of hydrogen? I repeat, how many molecules are present in 1 gram of hydrogen? Options are option A 6.02 to 10 to the power 23, option B 3.01 into 10 to the power 23, option C 2.5 into 10 to the power 23, option D 1.5 into 10 to the power 23. Now let's look which one of this option is the correct answer for this question. Answer is option B 3.01 into 10 to the power 23. Now let's learn the method of solving and arriving at this answer. We know that 2 grams of hydrogen will contain Avogadro number of molecules 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Therefore, 1 gram of hydrogen will contain, just you need to divide these two. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 2, that will give the value as 3.01 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So keep practicing. All the best. Watch all the videos related to this NEET strategies for this year NEET examination.